Welcome to Stride University. Today we're going to be exploring a little bit about manufacturing and how to create a manufacturing order and so that you can create product. A lot of times this might be like a kit of something that you're going to put together, a product you're going to sell, or it could be something that you're actually going to, go out and machine or cut and create a new product. So in today's example, the product that we need to make is called it's a summer quilt kit. So if we come into our products, I want to give you a little bit of a backstory on this. So I'm just going to search for that summer quilt kit. So you can see I have 0 units on hand and there's nothing forecasted right now. But I have created this product and I created a bill of materials with it. So you can see in this top ribbon here on the product card there is a bill of materials. So if we click on that, it will the reference, this is their test 1 bill of materials. We can click on that and actually see what is in this. So there's a couple of different things. This is our fabric kit builder here. We should have a previous video on how to use this, but I've created this and said, hey, I need 2 of these pieces per kit and 3 of these per kit. We're going to manufacture this product. Another cool feature here that I just want to show you is you can get an overview of this bill of materials. So we made this bill of materials to make 10, and so you can see here how much of each product we have available. So and then you can see over here what the computed cost of that bill of material is. So kind of a cool thing we can do is if we come back to here, we can compute the price from the bill of materials, and that'll tell us, hey, that is going to cost $9.82 or 98 cents per kit that we build in inventory cost. So that doesn't right now that doesn't include time. The bill of materials that I made doesn't include anybody's time or anything like that. So we'll go into that in a deeper dive. You can add in operations and other stuff to your bill of materials. But in today's example, we're just going to create it and go from there. So that's where we're at. We have 0 on hand. We need to go ahead and create some. So in order to do that, we're going to go back out to our main menu here, and we're going to come into our manufacturing module, and we're going to go to the operations, manufacturing orders, and then we're going to go ahead and create one. So we're going to type in here summer quilt kit, and then it pre-populates here with the latest bill of material, but you could also select if you have multiple variations of this, or you have a newer bill of material that you want to use or an older one, you can select that as well. So we're going to go ahead. We want to produce 10 of these units, but you can change that if you wanted to. Maybe you only wanted to do 5. That's all you've got to do. And then there you go. We could also do 3 or 6, or you could do 7 and 14. And if we go up to that level, you'll see this little red indicator over here says, hey, wait, you might not have enough inventory for that. So we're going to go back down to 10. And it looks like we're okay there. So we're going to go ahead. You'll see up here it's in draft. We're going to save that manually. And so now it's in draft mode. We're going to go ahead and confirm that bill of material. And that bill of material has been made and it's ready to go. I mean, that manufacturing order. You can see it created a transfer, and we can go ahead and look at that, and it says, hey, we pulled this much out of our inventory so that it's not available anymore on the floor to sell. And when you're ready to go, if you're as you go through this manufacturing order and create these kits, you can say, hey, it reserved 11.1, and I actually used, because I messed up once, we used 12, and we got this one just right. And you'll notice that comes up and we're going to go ahead and say validate that. So we used a little bit more than we did. So if we go back to our manufacturing order, we're going to go ahead and mark this as done. Oh, we're going to say we made 10 units, and we're going to mark that as done. And that will go ahead and create our manufacturing order. Finish it. So this is our little report that you can have. You can print that. You can see up here our product moves. Everything is good to go there. And then, so that's kind of how you create that out. Now last thing I want to show you is we're going to hop back into our inventory and our products. We're going to search for that kit, and now you can see that we have 10 units on hand and they're ready to go. So those are all finished out and ready to be sold, and you can sell them online or in your store. So thanks for watching, and as always, if you have questions, feel free to reach out to us.